Hey, in this video, I will be answering the question, what is the Home Business Academy and what can the Academy do for you? Coming up next. Hey, hello everybody. This is Ralph giving an answer to a question, what is the Home Business Academy? And the Home Business Academy is something that I've been involved in now for a little bit over a year. So I've dived in. I've really experienced this place, and the best way that I can describe what the Home Business Academy is first of all, it's a training academy that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. And the people teaching this are people who have been in the affiliate marketing space for over 10 years. And the academy itself has been around for 7 years, almost 8 years now. And the guys that founded the Home Business Academy had, I think, a 10-year period of experience in affiliate marketing before they created the academy. So yeah, going on probably about 20 years of experience individually that these trainers and teachers have. So you're learning from people who actually know what they're talking about, and I love that. And with the Home Business Academy, you not only get the training, but you also get the chance to earn 80% recurring commissions when you sell the Home Business Academy to other people. So it's a place to learn how to do affiliate marketing. And it's also an affiliate marketing offer that pays 80% recurring commissions. So it's a heck of a deal. Now, there's two levels that you can join at. There's the first level, which is the funnel builder level. And that gives you their funnel building tool, gives you the ability to make lead capture pages, presentation pages, get your information, get started in affiliate marketing the proper way. And you can make unlimited funnels using this funnel builder. It also comes with complete training, and it also comes with bonus trainings, which are yours to keep, even if you decide that you're going to drop out. If you stay in for your first 30 days at the funnel builder level, you can keep access to the bonus trainings absolutely free from there on out. So, and the bonus trainings, man, I always used to think that anytime you see bonus trainings being offered, that the bonus trainings really had no value. With the Home Business Academy, that is completely false. The bonus trainings have tremendous value. I spent about 6 months just on one training, making sure that, I was learning everything there was to learn in that training. It was so packed with value. And you just get a lot of training in the Funnel Builder Academy, which is the first level of the Home Business Academy. The second level is the premium level, which is traffic and conversions training. And this is where the real value of the Home Business Academy really comes to the forefront. There's a lot of value in the Funnel Builder Academy level, but there's a tremendous amount of value in the premium level. The premium level will teach you how to get traffic, both free traffic and paid traffic. It'll teach you how to get conversions, and it'll teach you a lot more. They've got trainings on short form videos, Facebook strategies, and they keep updating this stuff. The trainings here are kept up to date, and they keep adding more value to this program every few months. The past year or so that I've been in the Home Business Academy, they have had two and more major updates to this program. I've been in programs where they don't do a good job of keeping everything updated, and the Home Business Academy really surprised me in a great way, in a good way, because of the way that they keep everything up to date. And at the premium level, you get a chance to sit down and learn from the owners of the Home Business Academy and meet with them Monday through Friday mornings and just learn from them as they do their marketing. And I mean, this is valuable just beyond belief. These guys spend like an hour just teaching you what they know every day, Monday through Friday, at the premium level. And then a lot of times they will stick around for another hour for the question and answer period. And these guys are great. They will not leave until every question has been answered. So these guys, not only are they fantastic trainers in my point of view, but they are also committed to helping newcomers and old pros alike better their game and learn how to do affiliate marketing right, learn how to do affiliate marketing better. And if you have a question for them, they will go out of their way to make sure that you get the answer that you need in order to succeed in affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for a place to learn affiliate marketing, and you're also looking for an affiliate marketing offer that pays 80% recurring commissions, strongly encourage you check out the Home Business Academy because I mean these guys are honest, they are ethical, and this is a great place to be earning recurring commissions. Now, the funnel builder level costs $25 a month to join. And when you sell the Funnel Builder Academy to other people, you earn a $20 recurring commission, meaning that, you make 2 sales, you're already in profit. Also means that if your customers remain paying customers at that level, you will keep getting paid that $20 recurring commission month after month after month for as long as your customer remains a customer. So, pretty neat deal. It's not just a one-time commission. This is a recurring commission. Now, the premium level, the traffic and conversions premium level, that costs $125 a month, which is a bargain because that gives you daily training, Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 hours long. And if you can't make the live training, you can always find the recorded training. And I mean, just a lot of personal coaching that really goes into this. It's group coaching, but I mean, they treat everybody well. And if you come into the program, you have a question, they will make sure that they answer your question. So that costs $125 a month. Get masterminds Monday through Friday. And plus, they have a Saturday mastermind that's connected to the Funnel Builder Academy. So you get in at both levels and you can be having masterminds, 6 days a week. But it costs $125 a month to join at the premium level. And when you sell the premium level to other people, you will earn a $100 commission. So pretty neat there. Make 2 sales, you're already in profit. And I mean, that's the power of 80% recurring commissions. And the value that they put into this is like when I first saw it, I couldn't believe it. I bid on it. I went in there. I saw what value they had. And I've been sold on it ever since. And those recurring commissions have the power to really add up. So if you want to join the Home Business Academy, you can find my link down below in the program description or go to my, just type it in on Google. My main website is ralphshomebiz.com. And give me your name, give me your best email address, and check it out. See if it's for you. And we're running a special right now. You join at the Funnel Builder level, you get 2 weeks of premium absolutely free. So check it out. Test drive premium, join at the Funnel Builder level, and just see what it's all about. And I mean, the quality of this program is exceptional. So yeah, check it out, see if it's for you. And if it is, love to have you on my team. Welcome to our heart-based community. So this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. We'll catch you in future updates. Take care and have a good one. Bye-bye.